Good evening. After 8 consecutive down sessions, the Dalal Street saw some green today, with the benchmark indices ending in the positive terrain on the back of some short covering ahead of the FNO expiry on Thursday. Market participants heaved a sigh of relief as the NSE Nifty managed to end above the 4,800 levels, while the BSE Sensex closed above the 16,000 mark. The Nifty had lost over 500 points in last 8 trading days. The Sensex gained 119 points to close at 16,065 and the NSE Nifty gained 34 points to close at 4,812. Today's upswing was led by metal, auto and telecom stocks. On the other hand, the consumer durable and the FMCG indices were among the notable losers. However, the mid-cap and the small-cap stocks were under slight pressure. IT stocks were among the top gainers after the rupee touched a new all-time low against the US dollar. The partially convertible Indian currency fell for the 7th successive day today despite a recovery in the local stock market. Asian markets closed pretty mixed. Japanese, Korean and Australian stocks bounced off their worst levels. The Chinese and Hong Kong markets closed nearly flat. Japan's stock pared losses after the yen fell against the euro and the dollar. Indian equity benchmarks lost some steam in late trade following some softening in the European markets from intraday highs. European equity indices had finished lower on Monday after Moody's warned France on its outlook for the nation's debt rating due to rising bond yields and escalating worries over the region's debt crisis. US stocks tumbled on Monday after a congressional panel formally admitted to the failure of stitching a deal to slash the nation's soaring deficit. But S&P and Moody's said they won't lower US credit ratings. President Obama says he will veto any measure designed to override automatic budget cuts. After 8 days of weakness, we saw some signs of a pullback, but given the severity of the headwinds, both local as well as global, it could be difficult to sustain the recovery. The first day of Parliament's winter session was a washout, raising concerns about the government's ability to push through crucial bills like the Lokpal bill. Thank you. Wish you have a great evening ahead.